वन ए स्क्वायर वन ए क्यूब. अब C3 इक्वल टू a into C3 minus C1. This equal to 1 by a into C3 means a cube minus C1, a cube minus 1, a square minus a square 0, a minus a 0, 1 a square a 1 a square. Now expand from third column. 1 by a into aq minus 1, aq minus 1, from aq minus 1, so deleting first row and third column, so determinant of remaining members a square 1 a square, 1 by aq minus 1 into a4 minus a, taking a common from second factor, aq minus 1 aq minus 1 into 1 by a cancel, total aq minus 1 whole cube, whole square, sorry. That 1 plus a square minus b square, 2ab minus 2b, 2ab minus 2b, 2ab 1 minus a square, 1 minus a square plus b square 2a, 2b minus 2a, 2b minus 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. This equal to 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. 1 plus b square plus 1. Now first multiplying C3 by b and subtracting from C1 like this. C1 implies as C1 minus b into C3 minus 2b square, फर्स्ट कॉलम से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो मीन्स 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर, 2ab माइनस 2ab 0, b मल्टीप्लाई होगा जिसमें थर्ड कॉलम में b कॉमन, 2 माइनस दिस मीन्स 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. Similarly C2 implies as C2 plus a into C3 means multiply third column by a and adding into second column. So minus 2b into a 2ab adding with second column means 0, 2a square adding to 1 plus a square plus b square, 2a minus a common, तो 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2b 2a थर्ड कॉलम 1 माइनस ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. नाउ टेकिंग कॉमन 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर फ्रॉम फर्स्ट कॉलम एंड सेकंड कॉलम, देयरफॉर दिस इक्वल टू 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर, 1 0 b 0 1 minus a minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square, 1 minus a square minus b square. now multiplying first row by b and subtracting from our third row, that is r3 equal to r3 minus b into r1, means first multiply first row by b and then subtracting from third row. This equal to 1 plus a square plus b square whole square, 1 0 minus 2b, 0 1 2a, b minus b 0, 0 minus a minus 0 means minus a, 2b square, 1 minus a square minus b square, or minus 2b square means plus 2b square. Therefore this equal to 1 minus a square plus b square. Now operating from first column, the first column means 1 0 0, therefore this equal to 1 plus a square plus b square whole square into 1 into 1 minus a square plus b square minus plus 2a square. This equal to 1 plus a square plus b square, 1 plus a square plus b square, total is 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. Proof. Now area of triangle by determinant method. We know that area of triangle whose vertices are x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3. We know that area of triangle whose vertices are x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 be half x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, area of triangle. This formula from coordinate geometry. Now taking a determinant x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 and expand from first column, that is x1 into a determinant minus x2 into a determinant plus x3 into a determinant. So x1 expand from x1 to deleting its first row and first column, y2 1, y3 1. Similarly from x2 y1 1, y3 1, y1 1, y2 1. Now expand this, y2 minus y3 minus x2 into y1 minus y3 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now x1 y2 minus y3, taking negative common, negative sign, so minus plus y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From 1 and 2 we see that area of triangle, from 1 and 2 we see that area of triangle equal to half determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Suppose points are collinear. Condition for collinearity. suppose points are collinear. When points are collinear, then area of triangle will be 0. That is half into determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 equal to 0. If the points a comma 0, 0 comma b and 1 comma 1, these are collinear, prove that a plus b equal to ab, or using determinant method. Since points are collinear, therefore area of triangle will be 0, and area of triangle equal to half a01, 0b1, 1 1 1. This equal to 0. Now expand from first row, a minus 0 plus 1, this equal to 0. Expand from a, deleting first row and first column, determinant of remaining members b into 1 minus 1, b minus 1. Expand from 1, so deleting first row and third column, determinant of remaining members 0 into 1, 0 minus 1 into b, 0 minus b. ab minus a minus b equal to 0, or ab equal to a plus b. Question number 2. If the points 2, 3, 5, lambda and minus 1, minus 3 are collinear, find value of lambda. So since points are collinear, therefore area of triangle will be 0. So area of triangle means half of 2, 3, 1, 5 lambda 1, 1 minus 3, 1, this equal to 0. Expand from second row. Second row means 5 lambda 1. So this equals to minus 5 into plus lambda into plus minus 1 into. So minus 5, sign of 5 minus, plus minus 5 into determinant of remaining members after deleting second row and first column. 3 into 1 minus 3 into 1 means plus 6. Similarly, expand from lambda, 2 minus 1, 1. Expand from 1, deleting second row and third column, minus 6 minus 3. Minus 6 minus 3 means minus 9. Total equal to 0. Minus 30 plus 10 means minus 20. Lambda equal to plus 20.